In this video, let me show you a review about Drss.Site free Robux. Is it a scam or is it legit? Let's take a closer look at Drss.Site, a website that claims to offer free Robux. When you land on a page, the first red flag is a fake pop-up that says a player has received free Robux. This is a common tactic used by scam sites to create a false sense of legitimacy and urgency. To verify the site is trustworthy, head over to Scam Advisor. Once there, copy and paste the Drss.Site URL into the search bar. The result shows a trust score of 1 out of 100, the lowest possible score. This already tells us the site is highly suspicious. Next, we check Scam Detector. While it may show a higher score for a general domain like pages.dev, when you enter the specific URL drss.site, it has a low score. That confirms the earlier result. In short, drss.site is not a legitimate way to earn Robux. It is a scam website designed to steal your Roblox login. Never enter your Roblox account information into websites like this. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.